because he is adorable, absolutely gorgeous. So I have a Araith at last, nearly. We're just about done, just a few more things to do before we open our doors. So we're absolutely delighted to be here in this lovely little Carmarthen village. It is absolutely delightful here, so quaint and fabulous. And I just can't wait. We are so excited. We're very, very surprised. Very, very surprised, as I say here. Sorry? No, I'm learning a little bit of Welsh, yeah. Well, do many people speak it? I'm not so sure anyway. We were welcomed here with open arms by Carmarthen County Council, and they said to us that we just couldn't do enough for us, honestly.
I'm really very funny.
Have us here. Now we have 52 branches all over the world, 52 from Abu Dhabi to Vietnam, and now guys, in Carmarthen, amazing. So of course, we are all for local businesses. We really support the small local businesses, and I'm sure the local businesses here in Carmarthen will thrive once Debenhams starts, absolutely. That's gorgeous, chief exec, Mark James. He can't do enough for us. Mark, he's good. We